Hello, hello. Hope you're fine. Uh, Today I would just like to give you El Nino tips, what things that you're supposed to do, how you're supposed to handle yourself during this heavy rainfall season. So the El Nino started like 4 months ago. Most parts of uh, Africa is receiving most high rainfall from the north even to the south. So currently it is our time that we are experiencing the high rainfall. Most parts of West Africa has also received the rainfall. Uh, Most of this is because of the global warming and changing of times. So weather patterns are changing. So last time it is said that it happened 2 to 7 years ago. So the last event was on winter in 2018 to 2019. So currently we are in 2023. That's exactly like 5 years. So we are between the, the approximated years. So said that most parts of East Africa is going to receive high rainfall. I've seen most parts of Uganda has also received rainfall. I'm yet to confirm about Tanzania, but when we are in Kenya, we're receiving the most rainfall. So, what I would like you to do is to move to safety areas. People who are living in slopey areas should find themselves other places to stay during this weather because it's going to be a heavy rainfall. There are going to be landslides, and the people who are living in valley areas are going to receive rainfall. There are going to be floods. So where there are dams, people should be on the lookout and also on the safety of themselves because the dams are going to get water. They're going to fill some are going to break because of the high capacity of water. So and also people should ensure that they keep themselves warm. People should also make sure that the drainages are clean. People should also observe good driving experience. Those who are not able to see properly, you should not drive when it is raining. They should stop and wait for the rain to clear so that they can continue on their way. Also, they can use the hazards to indicate slow movement. Also, people should avoid parking in the middle of the roads during the night. I've also said about keeping warm. those people who are in places where it usually floods, they should move to safety, because the rainfall is going to increase maybe to 5 hours, 7 hours with the continuous rainfall. We should ensure that they have adequate food during this time. People should stay away from places where there are electrical cables, because some may have voltage near transformers. We should make sure that they don't leave should not leave their things open. So that is all that I could say for now. I will keep you for more updates and what is continuing.